Hey there, let's talk about something that can feel wildly confusing if you're newer to the online business world. Funnels! You've heard me mention them for weeks, but what even is a funnel? And more importantly, do you need one? I want to break this down in the simplest, most real way possible. Because if you're like most of the women I work with, you didn't start your business to be a marketer or a marketeer. You started it because you had something to share. A skill, a service, a message, a way of helping people that actually makes a difference. But somewhere along the way, someone told you that in order to get clients, you need to post daily. Be on every platform, show up 24/7, launch constantly, drown in content. And let me just say this is not a sustainable strategy. It's a fast track to burnout, and it's why so many brilliant women start resenting the business that they've built. So let's go back to the very basics. A funnel is simply the journey that someone takes from finding you to working with you. That's it. It might look like someone sees a post or a reel that speaks to them. They click the link, one in your bio or the caption, and they download your free guide. You send them a couple of helpful, honest emails that build trust to let them know about you. They see how you can help them, and when you invite them into your offer, they say yes. It's as simple as that. That whole journey, that's a funnel. Can be called a customer journey, but that's what a funnel is. And when it's mapped out intentionally, you don't have to cross your fingers every time you post. You don't have to stay visible just to stay relevant. You don't have to launch every other week because your income depends on it. Your funnel is your system, your support, your freedom, your strategy. It's what allows you to show up intentionally, not constantly. And here's the part that most people miss. A funnel doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be techy or complicated, and it definitely doesn't need to feel salesy or pushy. In fact, the best funnels feel like you. Clear, grounded, human. They guide your audience through a journey of connection and focus, not pressure. So if you've been stuck in content overdrive or waiting for your freebie to magically start converting, it's not you. It's that you don't have the systems behind you and in place to do the work for you. And that's what I help with. So I teach service-based business owners, creatives, coaches, VAs, service providers, how to simplify their strategy, how to create sustainable funnels, and how to grow their income without sacrificing their time or their values. My business is called Business Simplified, and this starts with your funnel. If you want to learn how to build a funnel that actually fits your business and gives you your time back, I'd love to invite you to my free masterclass happening this Wednesday. It's called Stop Posting, Start Selling, and inside I'm going to walk you through the exact 5-step method that I use with my private clients to go from scattered content with no focus to a freedom-first system that sells. This isn't a fluffy overview or another tech tutorial. It's clear, it's grounded, and it's designed for you. So if that sounds like what you've been missing, come and sign up at www.natalieoshea.co.uk/July Masterclass and come and join us. And if you're new here, subscribe to this channel because it's all about building a business that works with your life, not against it. So if you don't subscribe or follow me, then click the links and come and join the fun. Let's make business simplified.